Hello, my beautiful people. Greetings to you all. Today, come with me. Let me share with you how to make this coconut candy. If this is what you are interested to see, let's get right into the video. Keep watching and help me to share the video. So this is the first step. So I will just go ahead and take up the sharps of the coconut. So you can use more than this, or even one coconut. And the water of the coconut, guys, it tastes nice. You don't need to throw it away. You can sip this one. So in case if you don't know how to open coconut, so this is how it goes. Once I am done, I will take up the chops. I will clean it up. So this is the two coconuts. I'll just go ahead and use this grater to grate it. And when you are doing this, make sure you are careful with your hand. Can you see how it looks like? So I'm going to do this until I am done, although it does not really take time. Less than 12 minutes, I am done with the two coconuts. So the good part of it, making this coconut candy does not require any much ingredient, just this sugar and coconut. Once my pot hot a little bit, I will just take in the sugars to it. Feel free to share the measurements in the description box. Just only 2 ingredients making it. So can you see that the sugar has started melting? I've started proceeding. Just take your time and allow it to dissolve completely. So can you see how the liquid looks like a palm oil? But when you are doing it, you make sure you are very careful with your hands so that you will not allow it to touch your hands. So just keep stirring until it's well combined. Can you see it has started changing color? You can see the goldy colors have started appearing. Guys, we are almost done. Can you see making coconut candy is very easy? I believe after this video, you are not going to go ahead and buy coconut candy out there again. You can make it in the comfort of your home. Can you see it has started releasing the water? Just keep stirring until you cannot see any trace of waters on it again. Once you see that the pot is fully dry, know that your candy is ready. But if there is a trace of water or a liquid on it, just keep stirring. Oh my God, even the taste is low. It smells good. Guys, our candy is ready. I will just go ahead and transfer into any transparent plate. It can be a breakable plate or any transparent plate. Please, before you mold it, allow it to cool down. If not, you are going to hurt your hand. Allow it to cool down a little bit. So once you see that your hand temperature can resist the hotness, you just mold it. But don't allow it to get over cold. If it's over cold, you will not be able to mold it anymore. So you do it when it's still a little bit slice warm. Please, if you have not liked this video, the greatest thing you can do for me is this your like and your comment, and don't fail to do that. Encourage somebody. Guys, we are done. What do you want to say about this video? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section below. Demonstrate it by your like. Thanks for watching. See you soon again. Bye bye.